Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register Wellcare member portal account, enrollment guide step by step clearly. To register for the Wellcare member portal, start by visiting the Wellcare website. Look for the member portal link on the home page. Click on the link to navigate to the portal page. On the portal page, locate the register button. Click the register button to begin the account creation process. You will be prompted to enter your information. Fill in your first and last name as it appears on your insurance card. Next, provide your date of birth. Enter your Wellcare member ID number. You can find this number on your insurance card. After entering your details, click the Continue button. You may be asked to provide additional information for verification. Follow the prompts, entering any required information. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a username. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the specified criteria for security. After setting up your username and password, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation message after successfully completing the registration. Check your email for any confirmation or activation links. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. Once activated, return to the Wellcare member portal. Log in using your newly created username and password. You're now ready to explore the features of your Wellcare member portal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.